Hello all and welcome to Motorbash, your regular dose of everything you need to know about the motoring world. So let's begin. Kia is back in news with its latest launch in the market, a subcompact SUV, the Sonet. Even though being present in India for a few years, a lot of people still are not aware about the company in general. So Kia stands for Korean International Automotive. The company can trace its origin to Kyongsung Precision Industry, a company founded in 1944 in South Korea. This company was in business of manufacturing steel tubings and bicycle parts and eventually bicycles. Later on, the company moved on to manufacture motorcycles, trucks, and finally cars in 1974. In 1998, Hyundai Motor Company picked up 51% shareholding in Kia after Kia faced financial difficulties. Since then, both Hyundai and Kia have come a long way and established themselves as major players in the auto market. Needless to say, a lot of their cars also share platforms, engines, and other things with each other due to this collaboration. Kia entered India in 2019 when it launched the Seltos here. The car has been a smashing hit in our market and has established itself as a major contender in the highly competitive compact SUV segment. Together with the cousin Creta from Hyundai, both the cars easily dominate the market. Interestingly, both Creta and Seltos have a lot in common like the engines, features, etc. due to Kia and Hyundai's collaboration. Kia showcased its contender for the subcompact segment, the Sonet, as a concept at the 2020 Auto Expo. Working on same lines as Seltos and leveraging the strength as a group company with Hyundai, Kia has now officially launched the Sonet in India. The car shares a lot with Venue from Hyundai, similar to the case of Seltos and Creta. Sonet on its own as well as together with Venue will surely be giving nightmares to the competition, specifically the leader of the segment, Vitara Brezza. Now let's quickly see the details of the car. Sonet will come powered by two petrol engines and two variants of diesel engines. The first petrol engine is a 1.2-litre naturally aspirated 4-cylinder one, churning out 83 PS power and 150 Nm of torque. This engine will come mated to a 5-speed manual gearbox. The second petrol engine on offer is a 1-litre 3-cylinder turbocharged one, which produces 120 PS power and 172 Nm torque. This will come mated to a 7-speed DCT auto box and also a 6-speed IMT clutchless manual gearbox, similar to the one seen on the Venue recently. The diesel engine is a 4-cylinder 1.5-litre CRDI motor which comes mated to a 6-speed manual transmission in the first version, producing 100 PS power and 240 Nm torque. In the second version, the same diesel engine comes with a variable geometry turbo and mated to a 6-speed auto box, producing 115 PS power and 250 Nm torque. On the outside, the car features a typical Kia Tiger nose grille, LED highlights with DRLs and projector fog lamps, LED tail light for braking, diamond cut alloys, electric sunroof, among other things. On the safety front, the car sports 6 airbags, electronic stability control, vehicle stability management, hill ascent control, ABS with EVD, front and rear parking sensors, and rear parking camera. On the inside and comfort front, some of the highlights of Sonet's features are a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which also features a Bose 7-speaker system and sound mode lights, front ventilated seats, air purifier with virus protection, very apt in today's day and age, multi-drive modes and traction modes like snow, mud, sand, etc. Then the car also comes with modern features like connected car tech, tire pressure monitoring system, wireless mobile charging, etc. among the others. Now here is a brief look at the pricing of the car. Sonet starts at a price of Rs 6.71 lakhs for the base variant and goes up to 11.99 lakhs for the top spec car. As per Kia, these are introductory prices. Looking at the features and looks of the car and also the price plus wide variety of variants on offer, Kia definitely has a winner at hand. It seems Kia can very well be able to replicate the success story of Seltos with Sonet and is poised to become a key player in our market. This is all I have for you today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.